Hey everyone, welcome back to another What If. Today we're asking a beautiful and mind-blowing question. What if globular clusters are the universe's oldest cities? First, what are globular clusters? Globular clusters are incredibly dense, ancient balls of stars. They can contain anywhere from 100,000 to over 1,000,000 stars packed tightly together in a spherical shape. They orbit around galaxies like our Milky Way, and most of them are extremely old. Some formed over 12 to 13 billion years ago, almost right after the Big Bang. They are among the oldest structures in the entire universe. Now, imagine this. What if these globular clusters aren't just random groups of stars, but the oldest cities in the cosmos? Think about it. In a city, millions of people live close together, sharing resources, energy, and history. In a globular cluster, hundreds of thousands of stars are packed so tightly that they orbit a common center, sharing gravity.